It's playtime with Emery. Everybody, won't you come and see what he's got in store today? Hey.
You alright?
Fall when I get up here.
You guys want to see something cool? Can I have a volunteer to put some stickers on their arms? Only one. Whoever wants to do it. You'll be able to see it no matter what. I'm going to put some stickers on your arms and I'll show you guys your heartbeat.
What?
Yeah. I got pull your other arm up too. Oh, did you? Put the stickers on your arm.
They were all over where they.
Stickers on your legs too. Yeah. Kind of like a Band-Aid. No, it's alright. You see that? Every time you see that up going up and down, that's where your heart's beating. Isn't that pretty cool?
What is that? The lines at the bottom?
So, this is what we read to watch people's hearts and take care of sick people when we're taking them to the hospital or like when we're taking them to children's or
I don't put it
wherever.
on my arm. First it was like 100 and something, then it went down to 93.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it kind of hops around, especially when you first hook it up like that.
Mommy.
When you first hook it up like that, it's jumping up and down because of your moving and whatnot.
No, just do it to Emily, honey.
I
You
was gonna
had
say,
those on before.
you guys can take those with you, but with yeah, I know they're kind of like Band-Aids. I'm sorry. If you
Sit
want,
in
I
the
can
chair.
cut that one in half and give her that.
Riding in the ambulance.
Can you take those stickers off here?
Mommy, can we get pizza and soda?
I think so. Yeah. Oh, Ava's got you.
Ow. Hey, Ava. Mama, this is fun. Mama, I got my heart rate thing.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, see?
Is your guys' pizza good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's going on?
It's soda.
Wait, Mama, is it Maddox night? I don't want slow down.
What do you want?
Water.
I'll take your soda.
I think that would hurt a lot because their teeth are so sharp that it can go through the plastic too. And they showed it at Madison before with Jason's dog.
Ava, step back. Thank you.
Sarge. You know a dog can smell his nose and his tongue?
That one. Emery.
Cool badges too if you got cool badges.
Want a badge, Emery?
Want some badges? Here's some cards.
I'll give you a badge.
Oh, you got one. Mine's cool. I don't know.
It's a headband.
It's a police badge. Nice, the police one.
Yeah, it's just the same one. Do we put it on?
Yeah, you can put it on if you want. Emery, did you get one? Emery, you want a badge?
Sorry. Oh no, you're fine.
Cool badge?
Police one.
I'm a police now. I don't.
Police one.
I changed my mind.
Helicopter land. Is that exciting? Are you ready to see the helicopter land? It might be really loud, okay? All right, let's go. Here's the helicopter. Very loud, isn't it?
Take it down.
Was that super cool, Emery? In a helicopter?
This here controls a lot of the stuff we do. This is mainly lights. That's my work. Up here I got two screens that give me the weather, where I'm going. You're going to stay in front of it? Stay right here in front of it. Careful. Yep. Sponge the button.